Kenya may be known for being one of the foremost innovation hubs in the continent, but it is yet to sufficiently leverage on the same to enable the informal sector to contribute more to the formal economy. This means that a lot of tax revenue goes uncollected. Here's Alex Mwangi with a look at the challenges and opportunities that digitalization portends for the economy in the years ahead.
Courtesy of technology, the world has become a global village. Countries are currently grappling with the challenge of coming up with the right policies to ensure that the next generation does not live devoid of stable jobs. And that is easier said than done.
In our employment policy, one of the things that's required is what is the space and how do we account for the fact that there are some jobs that digitalization will necessarily extinguish, whatever we do.
But what we're not doing is training the trainers. So if you don't have the teachers, who's doing the teaching? And we cannot keep relying on foreign trained people coming in. We have to grow our technology here, and we are clearly a very innovative people.
Many countries in Africa, Kenya included, have youth as the majority of the population. Some say that the youth on the continent are a ticking time bomb, while others perceive them as assets to the economy.
So based on our growth rates today, our estimation is that you need to grow at a GDP annual growth rate of higher than 13% to absorb all the school leavers today into jobs. And that's a very, very high rate of growth.
The informal sector is said to employ the bulk of Kenyans. There is a growing concern over the quality of their jobs as well as the extent to which they can access and be part of formal financial solutions to uplift their livelihoods.
Government doesn't seem to even have clear data on what the economy looks like.